Welcome to Wildlife Wonderscape, where we uncover the fascinating creatures of the natural world. Today, we dive into the mysterious life of one of nature's most intriguing predators, the praying mantis. Found across the globe, there are over 2,400 species of praying mantises, ranging from the tropical forests of Southeast Asia to the gardens of North America. But no matter where they call home, all mantises share a few defining characteristics. Their triangular heads, large compound eyes, and their iconic front limbs folded in a way that resembles someone in prayer. Mantises are masters of disguise. Some species are designed to blend into their surroundings, looking like leaves, flowers, or even sticks. This camouflage is essential not just for hiding from predators, but for becoming stealthy ambush hunters. The praying mantis is not just a patient hunter, but a deadly one. Their lightning-fast reflexes allow them to strike with pinpoint accuracy. In a fraction of a second, their spiked forelegs lash out to capture unsuspecting prey flies, grasshoppers, and sometimes even larger insects. Once caught, the mantis uses its powerful mandibles to devour its prey alive. While it may seem gruesome, it's all part of the natural world. One of the mantis' most fascinating traits is its ability to turn its head. Unlike most insects, the praying mantis has a flexible neck, giving it the ability to look over its shoulder, a unique feature in the insect world. Now, we can't talk about mantises without mentioning one of their most infamous behaviors, sexual cannibalism. During mating, the larger female sometimes eats the male, starting with his head. While this may seem brutal, scientists believe it could be a way for the female to gain extra nutrition for her eggs. After mating, the female mantis lays her eggs in a protective case called an ootheca, which hardens to shield the next generation from the elements. After several weeks, tiny nymphs emerge, looking like miniature versions of their parents. Life for these young mantises is perilous from the start, as they face predators and even their siblings in the fight for survival. Though their hunting skills are formidable, praying mantises have a gentle side when it comes to humans. Gardeners often welcome them as natural pest controllers, and some people even keep mantises as exotic pets. From the delicate orchid mantis, which mimics the petals of a flower, to the fierce African devil's flower mantis with its striking wings, the diversity among these insects is truly breathtaking. The praying mantis is a creature of contrast, a delicate beauty with a deadly instinct, a patient predator that plays a vital role in ecosystems around the world. As we continue to explore the wonders of wildlife, let's take a moment to appreciate the balance and complexity of nature, where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, has a part to play. Thank you for joining us on Wildlife Wonderscape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating journeys into the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.